Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on Exbook, Exbook questions, and working on Kaggle, and we're learning with DivK. And today we are going to talk about sample complete. So the link of this file has also been given in the video, so you can check it from there. So this is what we discussed yesterday. So the question says that there are two unique lists, a list of unique numbers, and then what we have to do is we have to compare the two lists and find the position. So find the number of um items which are at the same position in the two lists. For example, if the first list is 1, 2, 3, 5, and the other one is 2, 1, 3, 4, then if we see only 3 is at the same location in both of them because it is 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's not 1, 3, it's 0, 1, 2. So second and 0, 1, 2. They are both 3 at the same location. So that is the reason if you see when we are comparing this, it says there is only one which has the same, which are at the same location in the two list. If we talk about this one, you see 2, 3 and 2, 3 here are at the same location. So it is returning 2. So what I've done is I've created a very simple program where I've written down that the name of the function that I've given is compare value in list, and I'm writing down list 1 and list 2. And then I am creating a counter. Counter is which will count the number of right position values. So number of count, so the initial value of the count is 0, and then I'm checking the length. If length of list 1 and length of list 2 is equal to true, then we will go into it, else we'll not. And then the next part is where I'm writing down the for loop. So in the for loop, I'm saying that you take the range of the length of the list. So it will be taking from 0 to the length of the list, and but not taking the exact length. It will take -1 length because it will be starting from 0 position. And then what I'm doing is I'm checking if the values at the ith position. So I would go from 0, 1, 2, 3, and it will check if the 0th position of list 1 is equal to the 0th position of list 2, and that way it will be comparing it, and the moment when they are same, it will go and add one value to the right position, and this way the right position would get incremented, and then we'll be writing down return right position. So if the values get incremented, it will give you the total count, but if not, then it will be giving you 0. So that's what we have done, and this is where we can check the method from the Exbook. So ev7.check compare value list sheet true, and it goes through, and it says that output is 1, 2, 3, 1, 0. So that is how you can find out different values there. Why this is 1? Because 3 and 3 are at the same position. Why this is 2? Because 2 and 3 are the same position. Why this is 3? Because 1, 2, 3 are at the same position. 1 because only one of them is at the same position. 0 because none of them are at the same location. Tomorrow we are going to talk about the next method, which is talking about again giving you the two unique list, or two list with the same length, and then you have to find out the wrong position of the values. For example, if we see here 2 and 3, in fact 2 is at the right position, 3 is at, no, sorry, 1 is not there, 2 is not there, 4 is not there. Okay, so this is returning true because then the same value, which is 2 and 1, 2 and 3, out of this, 2 of the values are not at the same location. So if you see, only 3 is at the same location, but 2 and 1 are swapped here, and that is the reason it is giving you 2. And if I say 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, then it returns 0 because all the values which are same are at the same location. So that's what we will be doing tomorrow. So with the hope that we have moved a bit forward, I thank you for listening and learning with me. So have a wonderful day ahead. And if you want to write down anything to me, you can write down in the YouTube comments, or you can also write down to me on devklearner@gmail.com. So thank you. Bye bye.